Arya?
Candy! Cotton candy!
Oh, mommy won't be mad, isn't it?
My shirt!
Fine, you can take it off.
Oh yeah. The ones of the my shirt!
Oh.
My
Look
shirt!
at Arya. She's having fun now.
My shirt! The yellow slime. Silver slime stickiest!
Who doesn't love slime, isn't it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh! You stick on Arya. Like a Spider-Man, you guys. Come on, Kuya. Hurry up. Do the bubble.
I'm gonna do the bubble again. I know.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I mean. And then you go like.
Pop.
See, this is my slime. Come on. See, I have slime. See, I have slime.
That's a low bubble. That's a low bubble.
Super spider web.
Stretch it.
Super stretch.
Hey, I can make. I made purple.
Oh my. Is this
That's
one
cute.
another?
Yeah.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
Two, one.
Tuwan ka.
Cedric! This
3, 2,
is
1, go.
mine, not yours.
No.
Is it fun, Arya?
It's getting in the.
Oh, no.
Oh no!
Mommy doesn't mind,
Look,
isn't
look.
it?
I made some purple slime.
What?
That's
I'm
mine.
not! I can do whatever I want.
Arya is like a cotton candy.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay. You can have this, Cedric. No, you can have this, Cedric. My friend Charlie is like
Charlie?
candy.
See?
I'm roasting my cotton candy.
The guy who doesn't like slime now like it.
Loves it.
Now you love it.
I'm the guy
I'm
who
just
loves
laying it down.
Who loves it.
I can.
Why
Do
is
the
it?
bubble. Oh, it ripped my bubble. My
I did
bubble
not
just
rip it.
ripped.
Hey, Aria, don't.
There's a cobweb on you.
Rhea, I'm turning you to cotton candy.
Uh-oh. Arya, your mom is here. What shall we do?
You can
Glitter the egg.
yeah.
And then you can dye the egg. Dye the egg. There's 12 pieces.
So
So 2 each. Oh, there's some stickers.
I said 2 each.
Our YouTube channel. Now we have our YouTube channel. Is that okay?
There, we dye it.
My head's gonna glow in the dark.
That's how it is.
I know.
Shake it.
And it's.
Shake it.
I'll just need to tell my mom why. Because we just used like some colors.
Happy Easter,
Mine's gonna have, like,
everyone.
Blue and it's gonna.
Happy Easter, everyone. Don't
Look,
forget
look at Reyes.
of Arya. Happy Easter, Arya.
Hey, look at Reyes.
Why you put Band-Aid on it? That doesn't stick. On the
Yeah,
other one, on the other one, you just put. Shake your eggie.
Shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake
You
it.
want to put.
Aya, what color you want? Blue or pink?
What's up, Mom? Mine has glue.
What do you want?
It could
Blue?
stick. Blue.
Huh?
On the basket. It could stick on
You can stick on the
basket.
basket.
So
Yeah,
many. Cedric want to get the.
So that's gonna be
Happy Easter, everyone. Look like a dino egg.
Where's the egg?
Oh,
Hey, can I have the other one?
it is a fake egg. You want a real egg?
Because I've tasted some real eggs before. It's fun.
A real one?
Yeah. But then I ate the egg.
Yeah.
This is.
Yeah, we do that also before.
Put sticker, Arya.
Wait, put on my actually. Here. I can juggle with all my things.
Hey, not another egg. Not another egg, Rylan. You already done two.
Careful, Arya. Now I got 3.
You need to dry it there.
Well, Rylan
See,
already
the
did
colorful
3
one
of
is
them.
better.
Rylan already
Rather than
did 3 of
sticker,
them.
Let's do your hair before mommy comes here. Wait.